Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet button. And now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Done, Add to Wallet and it's set. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is similar to loyalty card because you have to select Shop again. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.